Iron, you might think of heavy metal or maybe pots and pans, but did you know iron is crucial for your health? It's true. Even though we only need a tiny amount, iron is a superstar nutrient. Think of iron as the spark plug in your car. Just like a car can't run without a spark plug, your body can't function properly without enough iron. It plays a key role in several bodily functions. Iron is found in red blood cells. These cells are like tiny delivery trucks that carry oxygen throughout your body. Every part of you needs oxygen to work properly, from your brain to your muscles. So you can see why getting enough iron is important. Without it, your body simply can't perform at its best. Ever feel sluggish and tired for no reason? One culprit could be low iron. Iron is essential for energy production. Remember those red blood cells carrying oxygen? Well, that oxygen is used to convert the food we eat into energy. This process takes place inside our cells in tiny powerhouses called mitochondria. Iron is a key component of these mitochondria, helping them efficiently produce energy. Without enough iron, this process slows down and we start feeling tired and worn out. Think of it like trying to run your car on an empty tank. You won't get very far. Similarly, low iron means low energy levels, making it hard to power through your day. So if you want to feel energized and ready to tackle your to-do list, make sure you're getting enough iron. Iron doesn't just keep our energy levels up, it also plays a vital role in our immune system. Our immune system is our body's natural defense system, protecting us from harmful bacteria and viruses. Iron helps our bodies make white blood cells, which are the soldiers of the immune system. These cells fight off infections and keep us healthy. Without enough iron, our white blood cell count can drop, weakening our immune system. This makes us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Just like a weakened army can't defend a fort properly, a weakened immune system struggles to fight off invaders. So by ensuring we consume enough iron, we're essentially strengthening our body's defenses, making us less likely to get sick. When your body is low on iron, it sends out signals. Recognizing these signs is important to prevent serious health problems. One of the most common signs of iron deficiency is fatigue. Do you feel tired all the time, even after a good night's sleep? Low iron could be the culprit. Another common sign is paleness. Iron gives our blood its red color. When iron levels dip, our skin can become pale, especially the palms of our hands and the inside of our eyelids. Other signs include shortness of breath, dizziness, headaches, and even cold hands and feet. If you experience any of these symptoms persistently, it's essential to consult your doctor. A simple blood test can determine if iron deficiency is the cause. Remember, addressing iron deficiency is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being.